Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post property as a landlord on dubizzle. Once you're logged into your dubizzle account, come to the top right, click on place your ad, and then from here I need you to pick a category. In this case, pick property for rent, and then you just go ahead and enter a short title to describe our listing. So for me, it will be this one. Click here on let's go. So just elegant furnished studio, free builds, and you need to go ahead and choose your duration. So mine is short-term monthly, but I wanted to go under apartment or flat for rent because this is not a villa, it's not a whole house, and it's not a hotel apartment. It's just an apartment for rent, okay, a flat. And then we need to add pictures. So I'll come here, click on add pictures, and we'll go here to get our property pictures. I'll go ahead and highlight all of them, click on open, and we'll let these upload for now. As you can see, they are being uploaded, and then we'll choose a main photo. So something that will attract the potential clients. So whichever one you want to add that as the main photo, just go ahead and drag that to the top and it'll be added as the main photo, as you can see. Then we'll come down here. If you have a 360 tour URL, go ahead and add that. YouTube URL, you can add that as well. These are optional, by the way. What you need to do is everything with an asterisk. These are a must. Your phone number, price per month, and you need to describe your property. After you've put in your description and listed some amenities here, this helps with the keywords, right? The SEO size, we'll put that here in square feet, 500, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Is it furnished? Yes. Now these are optional. You don't have to do this. Amenities as well, but it is suggested if you have these amenities, fill them in. It helps with your listing. For example, these ones, right? And then you can go ahead and add more. Your location, come here, we'll choose a location. You need to enter the neighborhood and then building or street name and apartment villa number. It helps as well. So come here. This one is in Majan and Dubai. Then you can enter the building street names as well if you want. There you go. You can just type in the building name and it should find it there. You can save this address with a location label right here, property for rent, and then just save this address. You can use this later as well when you are making more listings. So I'll proceed with this. Then come here, click on next right there. They will ask you to go ahead and verify your phone number. You just enter the verification code and then click on verify, and then your ad will be listed right here as well. And that is how to post property as a landlord on dubizzle.